These don't put out much air at all. I mean, I can feel a tiny bit of a breeze, but on this high ceiling, the airflow is very, very restricted, so this fan barely puts out anything. This is unfortunately one of the worst Hampton Bay fans, if you ask me. They do look okay, but they are terrible. So yeah, I'm gonna turn this off. It doesn't really do much for Hampton Bay. Honestly, there's another one like this, but this one is one of the worst. I thought I'd film this one. I guess this one's on medium or high, I can't really tell. Because I haven't had much experience with these, but I know these are pretty bad. So, yeah, there you have it.